Okay, so this is Sanibel. This is Sanibel Island in Florida. That's the Gulf of Mexico or Mexico if you're American. Bird running. Kind of. That's Danielle, the love of my life. And those are her boobs.
Love you.
See, she loves you. And then
He's pretty, isn't he? Yes, he's very pretty. I think so.
Anyway, there's people.
Lots of people. Look at the puppy.
And then there's a puppy. And then more people. And then there's the Gulf. And there's the sky.
And more birds.
And then there's a bird.
Okay.
And then there's the dog. Again. People walking with the dog.